Look at this shit. Chilling is my business. My haiku.
Hello everyone, this is JJ from Budget Zero. If you're a subscriber or watched some of my past videos before, you'll notice that 90% of my total views are from tutorial videos. I thought it would be funny to make a video titled Tutorial on how to make a tutorial video blah 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 beginner's tutorial. But this is a serious video. If you are thinking to make tutorial videos in the future on YouTube, make sure to note down some of these tips. Besides, tutorial video is the most effective way to start up your new YouTube channel, since it's the most searchable, SEO friendly, and provides value to other people. When people ask me, I always recommend starting with tutorial videos, whether it is in the gaming, lifestyle or music industry. Always try to teach people your unique skills. Okay, I have my handy notes right here ready to start. Tutorial 101. First off, get straight into the tutorial video ASAP. Yep, I realized that I didn't actually follow this one since I've been talking about it over 1 minute long. People love tutorial videos that goes straight into the topic within 10 seconds at the start of the video. But personally, I like to explain some background info as well as some additional information as well as disclaimer about the tutorial video ahead of time. That way people will know deeper into the topic rather than just a tutorial video. Second is you want to plan beforehand, whether it's a short one or just a full script. Just make sure you think of some dot points before the video, at least take 5 minutes to do that. The reason is that you are able to structure your video so that it will flow smoothly between points, as well as you can think of some additional tips and tricks that you can give to your viewers. I like to write dot points down on what to say, since I always forgot in the middle what to say. Additional tip, I like going around the internet finding similar tutorial videos and try to refer it and make it my own unique version of the tutorial video, whether it's to give extra tips and tricks or change the method and style that you're going to present it. That way it's not just a random tutorial video, but it's the one created by yourself. Okay, I realized that what I said doesn't actually make sense, but anyways, on to the third point. Audio is king. As a wise man once said, you can have a bad video quality or crappy resolution, but please make sure that your audio is the best that you will ever hear. This is evident in my older videos where I teach my tutorial videos with my crappy little potato phone to film all my tutorial videos, as I require 2 phones, one for the tutorial and one for filming, since I do not have a camera at that time. And I use my older phone to capture everything I do in my laptop and my phone, which makes the video quality really bad. But fortunately, the audio quality is actually decent for the older phone, which makes my whole video tolerable for the viewers to see and hear. Hope so, at least. Anyways, if you do not have a good microphone or a crappy internal laptop's microphone, either use your phone as a microphone or just simply buy a cheap microphone, which will be definitely better than any internal microphones in your laptop. Also, make sure your video has minimal background noises, for example like wind or static noises. You would like to try to remove that as best as you could, or the music that you put at the background of your tutorial video. Make sure that you do not put it too high that it overlaps your voice. Last but not least, the recording and editing software. Depending on what kind of tutorial videos you are making, the recording tools might be different. If you are recording something physical, make sure the lighting is good so that the viewers can see whatever you're doing. If you're recording your tutorial on the screen on a computer or laptop, you can just use OBS Studio, which is the most powerful open-based software. I think it is what it's called, but it's called OBS Studio. And just download it and you can record and even stream anything you want. You can also record your screen and your webcam showing your face and your reactions simultaneously using OBS Studio. Now let's talk about video editing softwares. There are definitely free options and paid ones. The free ones I used to use BSDC Free Video Editor, It is actually really simple to use, and I use it for everyday purposes like editing short films and short videos. Or if you have a MacBook or Mac computer, just use iMovie. iMovie is also relatively easy to use. And the paid one is definitely Premiere Pro. I use Premiere Pro as well, but I got it for free using some methods. You can also use your phone to edit your videos, which is sometimes really convenient. There's an app that I really like called UCut. It is a free one, no watermark, no limit, and it has a lot of crazy transition effects that I also really like, and it is really simple to cut, edit, and even add text or images as well as some animation into your video. So I recommend definitely UCut. Must look at it. Okay, what you're gonna edit in your tutorial video is you try to trim and cut out all the pauses that is not relevant to your video. For example, some awkward silences. Yep, please cut that. Or some pauses or waiting for softwares or waiting some loading screen to run. Just speed it up or just cut it away. And make sure to add some additional visuals to support your video. Or you can even make zoom cuts, like zoom in or zoom out for so that people can see something clearer and sometimes focus on a particular subject. Yes, this is the tips and tricks for how to make a tutorial video. Make sure to like if you find some value in this video, and subscribe if you want future technology content like this. Thank you for watching. It's been a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Budget Zero, peace out.